Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do makeup channel today. Love Esmeralda. We're gonna start with this one. Put your clips for your hair can go down. And yes, subscribe to my channel and make sure if you see that princess, you need to click on it. And there you're gonna see where's my dress of stars, and that's where my channel is of makeup. First, we're gonna put them. Ah! Oh no! My setup is gonna. There. I love my hair. Oh my god! Why is it falling a lot? God, sorry guys, I don't want to do this. Ouch. Okay, there I am. Do you like it, guys? There, I think it looks beautiful. Now, first we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Okay, this. Oh, I need to start with this one because this is. Here we are with the eyeshadow. This is a golden eyeshadow. There, it's so beautiful.
Yes.
Thanks, Mom. I just need a couple more. There, much better, guys. Now, we're done. Now, the next step. This and the eyeshadow. Like this. So cute, right? Let me put it. Second step, we're gonna get the lipstick. I choose this one. Let's see. Oh yes, it's so beautiful. There, guys. Do you like it? It looks like reddish, but it's more a little bit red. So, do you like it? Do you like it?
Yes.
It's like yours? Oh my god, I can't believe this. I am so beautiful. Yes. There. Get a thumbstack. Now we're gonna put the blush on our cheeks. So cute. I look like Snow White. Today I'm gonna be Snow White today. Now we're done. Now we're gonna put mascara. Oh my god. There, guys, I love it. Now, we're done with the mascara. There. Now we're gonna put lipstick on top. This is the part. This is the part where I can be more, where I can stay in the lipstick. There guys, there. Now we're gonna put this lipstick, lip gloss. We're gonna put it around it. Around it. Around it. Do you like it? I love it. We are gonna do the Q-tip. We're gonna do the Q-tip. There. Put it at our cheeks. Now we're gonna put accessories. Accessories. Ooh. How did I look? Fancy? I look beautiful. I love it. Make sure to subscribe in my button. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy, and I see you. Click in my button and make sure you find the princess. Mwah!